What's happening on the outside is going to directly translate into what's happening inside. We often don't realize it, especially if you've been living in the clutter for a while, living in the chaos for a while. You become not immune to it because it is affecting your nervous system. It is affecting your brain, whether or not you realize it. It might just be that you're so used to the effects and you don't realize the freedom that there is outside of it. You reduce your clutter, you're going to have better mental clarity. You're going to be able to think and focus so much better. The quality of work that you produce. Sue, you create lots of courses and programs for yourself, but also for clients, right? If you reduce the clutter, if you can think and focus, that's going to help you do it quicker. It's going to make those courses and programs so much more awesome than you are already making them, which seems impossible, but it is going to happen. We have more capacity. Every single item in your home, in your workspace, but also in view that you see, not necessarily what we see, but you see, because you can make the whole area around you look amazing, but then off camera, it might be a total shit show. So what you see is what's important here in order for you to produce really good quality of work, in order for you to strategize. I cannot strategize if things are all over the place. I have to clean my kitchen. I have to do my laundry and put it away. I have to clear off my desk, and then I can think. There are 7 key benefits that are going to help both how people judge and perceive you and how you feel while working in the space. And this is on page 13, I believe, in the workbook.